So here we are, people at Gold Creek Reserve. I've got a little mate with me here, little Mr. Turkey. So anyway, come out here today just to do a bit of droning. I've done a video on this place before. Here's the forest walk over here. Okay, I'm here. Not sure where we're going there, but anyway, we're going to head down here because there's a really incredible water lake here. It is the old dam. I think it was one of the original dams for Brisbane water supply, Gold Creek Reserve, from memory. And anyway, let's get down here. There's an environmental centre up on that hill, and it's just a pretty place in here. Yeah, as I said, I've done a video in here before. I did a hike all around the loop of the actual lake, and that's a pretty walk if you ever want to take yourself on a little 2 to 2.5 hour walk around the lake. We're not doing that today. We're just going to come up to the lake and put the drone up and give you a view of the surrounding areas from the lake, as opposed to looking at the lake. We're going to look from the lake, if that makes sense. There's the Gold Creek Catchment Group native plant nursery here. Yeah, there's a little bit of stuff going on here. Just when we get down here a little bit further, we're at the dam wall. It's not that far, and there is amenities here, a little picnic shed. There's a toilet block here, and there's little cascade waterfalls and things, and it's quite pretty. And the actual land care nursery over here, it doesn't look like it's highly developed. It looks like it's almost run down. Oh, actually it's not. Let me have a look over here. Poke my head into the nursery. Oh yeah, they got lots of plants they're growing. So it is active. Looked almost run down, but it's not. So right in front of you here is the big wall to the dam, and I'm probably going to get up on top and fly my drone. And there's a nice little cascade waterfall over here, spillway I should say. I'll take you up to there in the cascadey part, just up a little bit further a little bit later on. But anyway, I'll just turn the video off for now, and as I said, this one's more about drones today and having a look at the surrounding area from the water. Across this little walkway here, and noticed I didn't see them. All these little baby ducks. Isn't that cute? As I said, that's the actual dam wall. Track goes up there. It's pretty good. Not too bad. Yourself? Beautiful day.
Enjoy it.
Well, yeah. Gotta go. So I'll just take you over to this one little spillway first before we go and get the drone up. As I said, this dam I think was one of the original dams for Brisbane. Water's down low here at the moment, but I'm sure the dam's still full. Nice little spillway. Big old pumping shed. Last time I was here, I couldn't work out really what this thing was. I think it might have been some filter in the pump or something. I have no idea, or might have been some old thing for being called Gold Creek. It might have actually been a gold area, and they might have used that for I don't know, swirling water through rock to find gold, who knows. Be nice if they actually had a little sign saying what it is, but it's probably got something to do with all of the water pumping here. There's big old pipes there and do all the pipes around. And we'll go up onto the water bank soon, but we'll just come across here and little spillway there. Cute little creek. Well, had a fun day playing around with my drone. I ran the drone up the dam and into some of the little coves and ran it over a couple of interesting areas. So I hope you enjoyed this little video of Gold Creek Dam or Reserve, I think it's called. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and tell all your hiking and nature friends about my channel. That'll be really great if you did that. And we'll see you on the next video. See ya, bye!